Hi guys! In this tutorial we're going to explain and demonstrate how to create a white spot color for use on transparent media. We'll be using Illustrator to apply the white fifth color behind artwork on a static window cling. Since the piece will be viewed from the other side when printed, this will be a one-pass process, where the white will be printed over the CMYK or behind it when viewed properly. With our document open, we need to create a new color swatch. If your version of Illustrator does not allow for two white spot colors, just remove one. Now to create the new white fifth color, go to the color palette, top right corner, click and select New Swatch. We're going to name that new swatch White with a capital W. That way the Pro C7100X will know exactly where to print the fifth color white. For color type, select Spot. For color mode, select CMYK. As for the color itself, we're going to select Solid Magenta to easily see where the fifth color will print. Tone or density can be modified using the density slider, but we'll leave it at 100%. We'll need to create some backing artwork for our main graphic. We're going to put that on another layer just to keep things tidy. Copy and paste the new artwork and place it on the new layer. We're going to select the artwork, apply the new fifth color white, and make it a compound shape. Now to expand our backing artwork, we'll need to use Offset Path. This will expand the shape, retaining its form in relation to the original artwork. Now to create an offset path, select Object, Path, and click Offset Path. We don't need much. We're only using a 1/4 inch here. Now with our offset path shape created, we can delete the base artwork. We'll double check to make sure it's on the second layer. Then we'll clean up the artwork, removing any pockets or holes, since we want this artwork to be solid as it backs the CMYK artwork. Now that we have our backing artwork ready to go, we'll mirror our image. Now we'll fill the fifth color white backing shape. This is the part that'll highlight the shape when viewed from the opposite side. Be sure to click Overprint Fill so that the artwork underneath the backing shape will print also. Now we can double check using Overprint Preview to make sure the artwork underneath the fifth color white layer will also print. Now we're ready to save our file. We're going to save it as a PDF using the Adobe preset PDFX4, the proper format. At this point, we can also add document trim and bleed settings. Save your PDF, and you're ready to print.